This is the Easter Bunny Garland Craft. To start out, you'll take your bunny template and cut out the bunny, and you're going to be using this to trace onto all of the colored paper. When you're tracing it, you'll want to make sure you do it towards the edge of the paper so that you can fit 2 on each colored paper. And this will give you a total of 10 bunnies for your garland. Once you have all those traced, you can cut out the bunnies from each of the colored paper. After you have all of your bunnies cut out, you can take a hole punch and punch a hole in each of the ears of all the bunnies. Then you'll take your cotton balls and you'll glue them one on each bunny for the tail. And you'll want to let the glue dry for a little bit to make sure that those tails are secure on your bunnies. Then once you have those all dried, you'll take your string and you'll thread it through the holes of the bunnies. Then once you have them all threaded through the string, then you have your garland. Looks super cute hung in any place.